In a secluded town nestled between mist-covered hills, stood an imposing structure that cast a long shadow over the surrounding landscape, Blackwood Academy. Once a beacon of education, it had now become a forsaken monument to darkness, its halls echoing with the whispers of tormented souls. Legend had it that Blackwood Academy was built upon the ruins of an ancient cemetery, where the restless spirits of the dead roamed freely, seeking revenge for the desecration of their final resting place. Over the years, tales of inexplicable phenomena and unexplained disappearances had shrouded the school in an aura of dread and fear. One fateful night, amidst the chilling winds and the howling of distant wolves, a young girl named Emily found herself standing before the imposing gates of Blackwood Academy. With trepidation gnawing at her heart, she pushed open the rusted gates and stepped into the foreboding darkness beyond. As Emily ventured deeper into the labyrinthine corridors of the school, she felt an icy chill grip her very soul. Shadows danced on the walls, and strange whispers echoed through the empty halls, as if the very air itself was alive with malevolent intent. Despite her growing sense of unease, Emily pressed on, driven by a curiosity that bordered on obsession. She had heard the rumors of the school being haunted, but she refused to believe them. That is, until she encountered something that would shatter her disbelief forever. In the dim light of a flickering torch, Emily saw a figure standing at the end of the hallway, a young girl with pale skin and hollow eyes, her tattered dress flowing around her like a shroud. As Emily approached, the girl's gaze locked onto hers, and a cold shiver ran down her spine. "Who are you?" Emily whispered, her voice trembling with fear. The ghostly girl said nothing, but beckoned Emily to follow her with a silent gesture. Unable to resist the pull of the unknown, Emily followed the spectral figure deeper into the heart of the school, her heart pounding with each step she took. They descended into the bowels of the building, where the air grew thick with the stench of decay and the walls seemed to close in around them. Emily's senses were overwhelmed by the oppressive atmosphere, and she felt as if she were being suffocated by the weight of the darkness that surrounded her. Finally, they reached a hidden chamber deep within the school, where Emily came face to face with the horrifying truth of Blackwood Academy's past. The ghostly girl revealed herself to be the spirit of a student who had died under mysterious circumstances, her restless soul trapped within the school's walls for eternity. As Emily listened to the girl's tale of tragedy and despair, she felt a surge of empathy wash over her. She realized that the spirits of Blackwood Academy were not malevolent entities, but lost souls in need of redemption. With newfound determination, Emily vowed to help the ghostly girl find peace, even if it meant risking her own life in the process. Together, they embarked on a perilous journey to uncover the truth behind the school's dark past and put an end to the cycle of suffering that had plagued it for generations. In the end, Emily's courage and compassion prevailed, and the spirits of Blackwood Academy were finally laid to rest. As she stood amidst the ruins of the once haunted school, Emily felt a sense of closure wash over her, knowing that she had helped to bring peace to the restless souls trapped within its walls. And though the memories of her terrifying encounter would linger with her forever, she emerged from the darkness stronger and more resilient than ever before.
Dear viewers, if you like to watch this kind of stories, do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.